No, Soweto is very different. From area to area, you see there's a difference. Hey guys, let's continue with our walk. I was still in Dube. There's some other chocolate. Boy, talking John Putin. That's what people do. Oh, that. Okay guys, just want to see the parts of Dube, these parts of Dube, and see what's happening this side. Yeah? No, Soweto is very different. Yeah? From area to area, you see there's a difference. Ula. Go. So here you see it's still finishing up, but yeah, I think almost 90 something percent is done here. Voilà. So back at the street that divides Orlando West and Dube. So the other side is Orlando West, and then this side is on the right, it's Dube. Okay, the streets are a bit tricky here, guys. We'll try to find another street that will take us back into Dube. So now we're at the main road now. At the main road. Yeah, let's take this road. I just tell you, these are all the designs, but still beautiful. Huh? Yondula. Okay, yeah, nice houses there. Okay. We're still in Dube, guys. We're still in Dube. We're trying to show you the other side of Soweto. Yeah, we did the other areas, but we still continuing showing you the different sides of South African townships and neighborhoods. Different neighborhoods. We're not only based in the townships. We also do different sides of South Africa, suburbs, townships, so on and so forth. You can see there's some apartments and stuff, some rooms. There's also this house there. It's nice. It's nice. This is the nicer part of Dube. So I haven't gone to the other sides of Dube. I know it's big, so we won't be able to cover everything at once. Yeah, in the future I will go to the other side. This is Dube. A nice big house. So just to remind you guys, this channel is not affiliated or pushing any political agenda or taking sides with regards to race. It's neutral with regards to that, and it's not a religious channel. So please always try to be respectful in your comments, guys. Let's keep it nice, as we've been always doing, guys. So that's a nice thing. And if you are new, you haven't subscribed, please subscribe, guys. Please subscribe, guys. Help the channel to grow, to reach more and more people. And also so the plan is, what we're trying to do, we're planning to have some giveaways, more especially maybe once a year. We'll see which works for us. Maybe once a year. Okay, this is Dube. Yeah. Hey guys, this is Dube. And this is Dube Soweto. So let's check it out, guys, and see what it has in store for us. So this is the quiet side that we've seen. Nambona. Yeah, and also here is nice, guys. Big houses, different types of designs. Some you see that these are old designs, but yeah, they're still well maintained. So that's a nice thing to see. During those times, these designs were amazing, breathtaking, like seriously. But now you see there's some new designs that have come in. Sometimes change, but yeah, they're still well kept and maintained. As I was saying, guys, we're planning on trying to have giveaways every December, or once a year we do a giveaway. We'll do a trial maybe this year and see, maybe we can start in South Africa, and yeah, and then so on and so forth. We'll continue. Okay, yeah, still here in Dube, guys. Yeah, so these are the houses over here. This is the neighborhood of Dube. Yeah, which is home to Morocco swallows, the Dube birds. Suddenly it gets busy. You see, it's a heritage site. Gibson, Kent.
At Story 88.